It's 3 a.m. You're caught in the blue-lit hum of a warehouse in Long Island City, or navigating the quiet ward of a Chicago hospital.
I'm Roman Sterling. This is the Midnight Metamorphosis, your tactical field manual for hacking the night shift.
Your brain is doing that heavy, static-filled zombie walk down the hall. At 3:15 a.m., you hit the wall. The vending machine is waiting. Every fiber of your being tells you that a dollar slice or a plastic-wrapped honey bun is the only thing that will make you feel human again. It is easy to blame a lack of willpower when you grab that third energy drink or a bag of chips, but that craving is actually a biological distress signal. Your internal clocks are misaligned, and your brain thinks you are in a physiological emergency. Telling a night shift worker to eat a balanced meal ignores the reality of working in the dark. To keep your metabolism intact while the rest of the city sleeps, you have to treat your food as tactical biological armor. When you work the graveyard shift, you are operating in a state of biological civil war. Your brain's light-sensing clock is completely out of sync with your body's food-sensing clocks. This timeline graph plots cortisol. Instead of a normal curve, night shifts trigger erratic 4 a.m. spikes to force you upright. Cortisol is catabolic. Without amino acids, this spiking stress hormone literally cannibalizes your muscle tissue for fuel. You might notice you feel soft, even if the scale hasn't moved much. You are chronically exhausted because your body is consuming the very engine it uses to burn fat. Preserving muscle mass requires a specific countermeasure: 100 to 130 grams of protein every single day. For a shift worker, hitting this target is a baseline survival mechanism. Your brain uses amino acids, specifically tyrosine from protein, to build dopamine, keeping you focused and alert in the middle of the night. But fixing your boredom with a sugary bagel spikes insulin. This allows tryptophan to flood the brain, making you intensely sleepy. You bypass this trap by building a go bag around the emergency trio: plain Greek yogurt, unsalted walnuts, and hard-boiled eggs. They require zero prep and deliver an immediate hit of those critical amino acids. By feeding your muscles instead of your cravings, you deliver high-octane fuel directly to your brain, staying sharp through the entire shift without the wired but tired coffee crash. Grazing on processed junk during the night shift forces the cardiovascular system under extreme stress. This bar chart compares cardiac markers based on eating schedules. When participants grazed on food through the night to stay awake, their cardiac function markers declined by 25.7%. The tactical countermeasure for this is the Thermos Strike. You pack high-protein, easily digestible soups or chilies in an insulated bag to eat during your long shift. A warm meal physically signals safety to your nervous system. It lowers your stress response, and liquid protein is far easier on a digestive tract that has naturally slowed down for the night. Restricting your nighttime feeding window to warm, liquid protein protects your ticker. You avoid hammering your heart with digestion demands during the very hours it needs to repair. Even with protein packed, you will still face the 3 a.m. Hunger Games. Because your insulin sensitivity drops dramatically in the dark, your brain screams for sugar. This blood glucose timeline shows what happens when you cave to that craving. That promised quick energy skyrockets your blood sugar and violently crashes shortly after, creating intense glycemic instability. Your primary defense against this crash is the fiber shield. The single best tool for this is a green apple. The pectin inside the apple acts as a physical metabolic brake. It slows the absorption of whatever you eat with it, blunting the insulin response that normally locks up your fat stores. Deploying fiber as a metabolic brake normalizes broken hunger signals, keeping your energy steady through the 4 a.m. wall. Securing these metabolic gains requires an environmental reset, specific physical steps locked in before the shift begins. First is the Vending Machine Divorce. Literally remove the credit cards and loose change from your wallet before you start your shift. If the stressed-out zombie version of you at 4 a.m. cannot pay for the candy bar, it cannot eat the candy bar. Second, follow the free pizza rule. When someone brings boxes of pizza into the break room, walk away. That slice comes with a massive interest rate on your heart health. You are a professional keeping this city's gears turning, while the rest of the world is tucked in. Treat your body like the high-performance tool it is. Rely on your go bag armor.
Stop fighting the night. Own it. Grab the Midnight Metamorphosis on Amazon. for the ultimate shift work pro tips. Link in pinned comment.